Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a beautiful Suzuki SV 650S. Really nice bike overall. The S model makes all the difference in my opinion, because a few little extras, I think, like these side LEDs on it. It's got original exhaust, sounds really nice. Overall really great bike. And we'll start at the rear here. We've got the rear tyre is good on it. 2003 bike, has tax disc holder here. Clear indicator lenses fitted. Suzuki rear brake, all good. The seat itself is in nice condition. Up over the top, the tank, all really good. Little bits of touch up here, but very minor. Up over the top then, all the switch gear, everything like that in nice condition. Main odometer here, good. Original mirrors on it. All the metal though, as you can see here, all really nice. It's definitely been kept indoors. And side stand here, a little bit of corrosion here on the left hand side of the engine cover casings. It's got RNG crash bars, or crash bungs I should say, on the left and right hand side. Rad pipes all good up over the top, all really nice. And at the front here, SV 650S. Front cowl, alloys are in nice condition. The discs, dual disc, the front, everything like that, all throughout here, all looking nice. Again, there's that RNG crash bung again. Fairing up the front here, all real good condition, no marks to make note of here. Throughout the center of the bike, all good again. A little bit of corrosion here. Nice clear engine oil here as well. Up here, the exhaust is the original 650S exhaust, and that's kind of it for the Suzuki SV 650S from 2003. Let's go for a ride. Okay, now we're on to the Suzuki SV 650. Rode this bike briefly just before this as well. Rode very nicely actually, sounds great. As you can hear. And what I will say is this S variant has clip-ons, and it's reasonably aggressive in its seating position. You are kind of leant up over the handlebars. A lot of your weight is on the wrists. Over the standard 650. The bike does sound great though. The exhaust is just right, I would say. You have a lot of these aftermarket exhausts are just too loud. This, you know, you can hear it. You can have that throaty, has that throaty sound to it, but it's nothing overbearing or droney, which I'd say you would get a lot on the motorway. Certainly a lot of power, or a good amount of power anyway for me. I've just slicked on the high beams. I don't know what that was about, like pretending to run out on me, like that's funny or something. I don't know, I don't find that funny particularly, in my opinion, particularly when you're on a bike and if you slam on the brakes you're gonna be gone. But anyway, it's all laughs and giggles for them. Right, anyway, back to the SV 650S. I've ridden a lot of these SV 650Ss. I think the S variant of these 650s is the one to go for. Oh fucking hell, look, they look at you as if I'm just about to molest their children or steal his fucking dog. Christ on a bike. Swear to God, going 40 kilometers an hour, not even. You'd swear I was some sort of lunatic. You guys probably know this as motorcycle riders. You get the dirty looks. What are you doing on that bike? But anyway, back to the lovely bike. Yeah, it is really nice. very pleasant to ride. The brakes feel really good. I know the rear brake is at the minute the rear brake is not working. We have a rebuild kit in for that, and that will be done before the sale. Just wanted to make that known. But yeah, that's been the Suzuki SV 650. We'll stick her into neutral, and we'll flick on the hazards and put on the side stand. Show you all the lights working. So you have those LED lights there that's been fitted to it, clear indicator lenses, both indicators at the front working and both indicators at the rear working. 03 sounds really good. V-twin. That's been the Suzuki SV 650. If you do want to reach out to us, you can reach out to us on our socials at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.